Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Friends, you can also search in our website pharmajobalert.in for regular job updates. Friends, coming to the first job update, here is a walk-in interview that is on 16th April from Amneal Pharmaceuticals for the job location Rajoda and Sej Mathoda, oral solid doses form unit, Ahmedabad. They are looking for manufacturing blister coating, granulation, compression, coating, capsules or packaging. The designation is officer or senior officer or executive. The qualification they are looking for is bachelor's in pharmacy, master's in pharmacy. So you need to have minimum of 1 year experience and maximum of 7 years experience. And you can see the desired profile on the screen. And they are also hiring for the designation associate or assistant operator. The qualification is BSc, Diploma or ITA. The total experience required is 1 to 7 years of experience. The desired profile is able to understand and operate fluid bed equipment and also knowledge of 21 CFR and to perform online documentation with respect to department procedures as per good documentation. And if you are applying for this job, you need to take care that that you are having a good communication and interpersonal skills, computer knowledge, exposure to CCMP or GLP, and knowledge of understanding regulatory requirements. The venue is Amneal Pharmaceuticals 882/1-187 NR Kankavati Hotel, Highway Village, Rajoda, Ahmedabad. Coming to the another job opening from the same company, and this is also a walk-in interview that is going to held on 16th of this month Saturday for manufacturing, rooster or pellet coating. They are looking for officer, senior officer or executive, B.Pharm or M.Pharm 2 to 6 years. For associate or assistant operator, BSc or Diploma in ITA 2 to 5 years of experience. And for this also the venue is same, Amneal Pharmaceuticals, NR Kankavati Hotel, which is Bavla Highway Village, Rajoda, Bavla, Ahmedabad. So these are the job details. Friends, interested and relevant candidates can share their updated profiles with the following mail ID aartig@amnealindia.com. So these are the details, my dear friends. I hope you like this job update information. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.